I'm Debasmita Mukherjee. I teach class 10 and ISC English. The course Manomitra by Brainberg was really effective. The way it was taught, the resource person was very good. We could connect to her ways of teaching, and it was a very interactive session. We learned a lot. It was an eye-opener. So many times without realizing we say certain things, but after this course we will be more mindful in our approach. One thing I just want to say that if it would have been divided into shorter periods, it would have been more effective, because it became a little monotonous towards the end. And if the course had been 2 days of theoretical, then a little practical, and then if you would have come back and had the closing session, it would have been more effective.